a little bit less nervous than last time or more nervous? Because now we're like only one step away from the live shows.
A little more nervous, actually, but so excited.
What are you singing for us today?
I'm going to be singing Girl on Fire by Alicia Keys.
Oh.
A crowd favorite.
Well, Angelica, I wish you good luck today.
Thank you.
A funny too.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Whoa, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. She got her head in the clouds, but she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Everybody says that she goes by, 'cause they can see the pain that's in her eyes. Watch her as she's lighting up the night. Nobody knows that she's a lonely girl. I did a lonely one, but she got that it burn, baby, burn, baby. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. Thank you.
I mean, I'm so blown away because you walk out and there's this like, you know, you've got these like sneakers on and you look like this adorable little child, and then you open your mouth and it's like, how do those pipes fit in that tiny body? You are unbelievable.
Thank you.
I just feel like Angelica, you are the chosen one.
She's crying now, amore.
You're amazing. You're so good.
Oh my God!
Everyone, Angelica received that golden buzzer from Chris, and she is skipping